Ask most winemakers what the worst thing is about making wine, and they'll probably tell you it's cleaning out the demijohns afterwards. They're great for making wine, but an almost impossible shape to clean, especially under the neck where you just can't reach with a brush. Well, here's a way you can clean them up in just a few minutes. All you need is a few small stones. These are from my garden. They can be either rough or smooth. I find a mixture works best. First, pour a jug of cold water into the jar. Then add the stones. Put a bung in the jar and swirl the stones around until they've cleaned off all the wine residue. Empty the stones out with the water and then rinse with clean water. Job done.